brother Rudy and I were... Whoa, Rudy, why are you wearing those clothes?
I thought we were going sledding, Abby.
Sledding? I thought we were going to have a nice sunny picnic in the park.
Hey, what season is it?
I'm glad you asked, Rudy, because it's the season spinner, where we get to play in all the seasons. Yahoo! What should we do next? Summer!
Oh boy, it's fall. Fall is a time when the weather gets cooler and we get to wear jackets and leaves change colors and fall off the trees. Help Abby pile up the leaves by collecting the
Yellow leaves.
You got one.
Oops.
Collect the leaves shaped like this.
Oops.
There's one. You got one.
Oops. Oops.
Hey, nice leaf collecting. Which jump should Abby do into the leaf pile? Ooh, a cartwheel. Now, let's collect the brown leaves. This is gonna be a big pile. You got one. This is gonna be a big pile. Collect the leaves shaped like this. Click on the leaves shaped like this. Hey, nice leaf collecting.
Oops.
Collect the... You got one. Hey, which jump should Abby do into the leaf pile? Look out below! Now, let's collect the orange leaves. You got one. Collect the orange leaves.
Oops.
Collect the orange leaves. This is gonna be a big pile.
Oops.
There's one.
Oops.
You got one. You got one.
Oops.
Hey, which jump should Abby do into the leaf pile? Cannonball! Now, let's collect the brown leaves. Collect the brown leaves. Click on the brown leaves. Hey, nice leaf collecting.
Oops.
Collect the leaves shaped like this. There's one. There's one. There's one. This is gonna be a big pile.
Oops.
Collect the red leaves. Which jump should Abby do into the leaf pile? Ooh, a cartwheel. Now, let's collect the yellow leaves.
Oops.
There's one.
Oops.
This is gonna be a big pile. There's one. Collect the leaves shaped like this. This is gonna be a big pile. You got one.
Oops.
Which jump should Abby do into the leaf cannonball? Now,